Hello everybody, I'm at the vending machine. A Camaro, a Lamborghini Miura. This is the Chevy Impala Jaguar Mark II. Hot Type B. I have no idea what it is. Is it a McLaren or a Pagani? Another hot Type B. Type D. Okay, it looks like the initial D because it has Japanese words on the door. A Mustang, a Cadillac Project, Silverado. I have no idea what it is. Audi e-tron, a couple of Porsche, a Mazda MX-5, another Miura, another Project D. Okay, below here we have the Toon Manga in Gulf livery, Hot Ones for Thunderbird. If you want to buy a Honda Civic, we have 5 of them here, but at 2.5 times the price of a normal car. Peanuts Honda CRX, Japan Historic, and below here is all old news and Batmobile. Okay, what about the side? Nothing much. A lot of Matchbox working rigs and moving parts. Ford Maverick with an opening hood. This is supposed to be nice. Seagrave fire truck is also nice. The catering truck, the dump truck, and the pavement truck. So I don't know. This looks nice, but it's not my thing. And I know that the wheels will be ugly because it's this view. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.